Welcome back. Next problem, Unit 5, Form 6, number 12, measure angles using a protractor. And there we go. There is our lovely protractor. Protractor. I should say number 12. Choose the correct true statement about angle MNO. MNO. I know that's a little blurry, so I'll write it again. MNO. And you're talking from here to here. So, true statement. No. 3 false. 1 true. So just by taking our protractor, and from the previous chording, you want to put it right on that line. So here's the middle of the angle, which is letter N. So you put the line right on the dot, and then you see the ray, and it's shooting out this way. It's kind of tough to see, so I am just going to draw it and extend it all the way out. So on your test, that's what you're going to need to do. Just keep going and going and going. I'm going to take this one and draw it out farther. Okay, so now put it on here again. And remember that when you are going all the way over here, you start at 0. Okay, and then we just count. So if I move the phone up a little higher so you guys can see this now. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We know already that this would be a 90-degree angle. However, we need to get all the way to here. 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. Right away, it's 160 degrees. Okay? So, it would be answer B. We know it's not this, we know it's not this, we know it's not this. I know that 100 degrees is half a circle. I know that 20 degrees is super tiny small. And I know that 120 degrees would be that angle. Okay? But there's some other keywords in here that you need to know, which are these right here. Okay? So I'm just going to do a quick review for these. But again, if you know how to use the protractor, you can just measure the degrees right away and you get 160 degrees. And this is the only true statement. But first off, I'm going to do some boxes over here. A right angle. That is always 90 degrees. So notice how it says a right angle of 120. That just doesn't make sense. A right angle, remember, always this corner of an index card would fit in there. So there's that, takes care of that. An obtuse angle is always greater than 90 degrees. Okay? So I'll write this, greater than 90 degrees. So that means you get to 90, then you open up. So it's angles that are always looking like this. They look really big, okay? There's that one. And then to fit it in down here, the last one we have an acute angle. These are really small, are less than 90 degrees. Okay? So if you take an index card, and I just put the index card in, right away this is a 90-degree angle. Anything that fits within the index card, all of these angles would be acute angles. If I want to go to obtuse angles, I need to get another index card because it goes past 90. Okay, if I start from here and go all the way over here, all of these would be obtuse angles. All right, so just think acute is really small. It's less than 90 degrees. Acute, less than 90 degrees. So when I look at this statement is correct. The acute angle that has a measure of 20 degrees, right? 20 is less than 90, but the problem is this is not an acute angle. This is an obtuse angle. Why? It is bigger than 90 degrees. It is greater than 90 degrees. Right angles should be fast. You always know they're 90 degrees. You just take your index card and you put it right in there, and if it's not going up like this, it's not 90 degrees. Okay, that would be a 90-degree angle. All right, simple enough. Keep doing those problems. Remember, do Imagine Math. Use that free available tutor online. And go back, review previous videos. Bye.